We are very excited to announce the new Quail Safe Feeder in partnership with MB Ranch King. MB Ranch King delivers unmatched quality in hunting and wildlife products, and we are thrilled to be able to work with them to deliver a extremely robust Quail Safe Feeder and utilize their distribution network to deliver the Quail Safe Feeder to you through dealers nationwide. Today I just wanted to do a quick overview of the updates we've made to the Quail Safe Feeder. You can notice first on top we have no hinges, which means we have no failure points on this feeder. We just have pins that lock with grooves to drop the door into. You can see at the base here we have a galvanized steel floor that's built to withstand corrosion. This whole design is built to last a lifetime. We have the skid add-on on this feeder and a drag point. If you ever needed to move the feeder a short distance, you could easily hook up to it and drag it. The entire steel portion of the feeder is powder coated. We're using rivets on the top side here, which allows us to powder coat every portion, every single square centimeter of this is either powder coated or galvanized steel. We have the same methodology in terms of 4 entry points throughout the feeder. We're now laser cutting the panel on the bottom. This allows good visibility for the birds when they're feeding inside and allows them to feel safe but aware when they're inside the feeder. On the sides of the feeder, you have 4 anchor points that are mounted into the bolt-on galvanized floor, and this floor comes standard with every feeder. I'm going to pull the pins here, and this door is locked in with a lip on the floor here. So no prying hands can get into this. It's fully locked in. Whether you tip it over, throw it down a hill, it's going to stay totally intact. You just lift the door off those tabs, and we'll set it right here. And we can look inside. On this galvanized floor, we have drain points. Generally, when you set this feeder up, you want to throw in a bucket or 2 of soil just to make it more natural so the birds immediately utilize it. They do not mind the galvanized floor, but for birds that have not utilized a feeder, that would be a good idea. And it's galvanized, so it's going to hold up just fine. Same concept on the inside of the Quail Safe Feeder. We have a removable 150-pound hopper. The entire design is developed around minimizing waste for non-target birds. This is primarily targeting quail. It can be used with any type of quail that we see domestically here in the United States. This hopper is totally removable. If you ever have your feed go bad or you need to empty it out, you can pull this entire hopper out. This handle to pull the hopper is extended. That way, when you put the door panel on, you will make sure that the hopper is fully seated back and you will have no water get down onto the feed plate. And this design keeps the feed plate out of the sunlight and dry at all times, even in a heavy rainstorm. Now, in the event that you had bad feed or you had some material or moisture in the feed plate, you can pull this slide here, and the slide comes out with a stopper, and then you can remove the feed plate to clean out the feed plate. Now, the feed plate right now, I have QuailGuard medicated feed. The Quail Safe Feeder was developed for use with QuailGuard to medicate quail and treat them for parasites. You can use this crumbled QuailGuard feed. We also have the Quail Safe feed, which is a non-medicated, high-protein feed for quail. But this hopper, this feed plate is very flexible in terms of it can feed milo, millet, whole corn, cracked corn, any wild bird grain mix, or a pelleted feed as well will flow through and be functional in this system. You can set the feed plate back on the slide and slide it back in. The feeder comes with this carabiner clip here that you can lock in into the hopper here. And with that clip, the plate can never be knocked or jolted, even if there was something trying to move the feeder or something got inside that was trying to knock it. Overall, we've made some great improvements. These feeders will be available at all MB Ranch King dealers throughout Texas, Oklahoma, and all their dealers nationwide coming in 2025. We're very excited for this new partnership and the increase in quality and design of the Quail Safe Feeder. Please reach out if you have any questions, and we look forward to working with you.